What if I told you that you could live in Bali, sip coffee in Italy, or explore the streets of Tokyo, and still make money while doing it? No, this isn't a fantasy or some get-rich-quick scheme. These are 10 real, proven, and legit ways people just like you are funding their lives abroad. Stay tuned, because this could change your future. Welcome to Terrific World. Are you a fan of our videos? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. 1. Teach English online or abroad. If you're a fluent English speaker, teaching is one of the easiest and most accessible ways to make money abroad. Online platforms like VIPKid and Cambly pay between $10 to $25 per hour, while in-person teaching jobs in countries like South Korea, Japan, and the UAE can pay up to $3,000 per month with benefits. Plus, many of these programs include housing, flight reimbursement, and a bonus at the end of your contract. Talk about a win-win. Remote freelancing. Freelancing lets you work from anywhere with a stable Wi-Fi connection. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, video editor, or developer, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. Even earning $20 per hour at 25 hours per week gives you around $2,000 per month. Plenty to live comfortably in low-cost countries. Once you build a solid client base, your income can double while your living expenses stay low. Social media management and content creation. With businesses going digital, managing someone's Instagram or TikTok could pay anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month per client. If you land just 5 clients at $400 per month, that's $2,000 per month, and you can do it all from your phone. It's a great option for creative travelers who enjoy storytelling, marketing, and staying on top of trends. Work exchange programs. Websites like Workaway, Worldpackers, and Woof allow you to trade 4 or 5 hours of work a day for free lodging and meals. Tasks can range from helping in eco-lodges to working on farms or teaching language skills. It's ideal if you want to experience a new culture deeply while cutting down on living expenses. Affiliate marketing. By recommending travel gear, booking platforms, or digital services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your links. Travel bloggers and YouTubers make anywhere from $50 to $1,000 plus per month, depending on their audience and niche. The best part? Once set up, your affiliate links can keep earning even while you're off exploring. House sitting or pet sitting. Trusted house sitters and Nomad match you with homeowners looking for someone to care for their pets and homes while they're away. In exchange, you stay for free, often in prime locations like Paris, London, or Sydney. If you house sit just 3 places per month, you could save thousands on rent while living in luxury homes. Drop shipping or print on demand. Set up an e-commerce store using Shopify and source your products from suppliers who handle shipping. Or create t-shirts, mugs, and digital prints using Printful or Teespring. Sell 50 items a month at a $10 profit, and that's $500 passive income. It's a solid side hustle that scales over time with the right marketing strategies. Seasonal or tourism jobs. Work at ski resorts, cruise ships, summer camps, or diving schools depending on the season. These jobs often provide housing, meals, and a stipend, so your savings stay intact. In countries like New Zealand or Canada, you can even get working holiday visas to make this lifestyle legal and fun. Countries like Portugal, Estonia, and Costa Rica offer special visas for remote workers. If you earn around €2,820 per month, you can legally live, work, and enjoy local benefits. These visas are game changers for freelancers and remote employees looking for legal long-term stays. Building a YouTube channel or travel blog takes time, but the rewards can be long-term. With ad revenue, affiliate sales, and brand sponsorships, even small creators can earn $200, $1,000 per month with consistency. Plus, you're building a digital asset that grows with every piece of content you post. There you have it, 10 legit ways to fund your life abroad. Some are instant wins, others take time to build, but each one is a stepping stone to a life of freedom, adventure, and fulfillment. You don't need to be rich or lucky, just resourceful and willing to start. Let us know in the comments, which of these 10 options would you try first? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another video. See you on the next journey.